how to promote your business on Facebook. Hello and welcome to this new and exciting tutorial where we are going to learn how to promote your business on Facebook. Now, when you're on your Facebook, you need to go to your page on the left-hand side. You'll see pages, but if you scroll down, you can also notice your shortcuts for the pages that you have. Now, to promote your business, you'll come at the top here. You notice we have promote, and then still on the left hand side below here, you notice we also have promote. So you'll click on any of that. So I'll click on this promote here, but the same one would have led us here. So once you click on that, you notice it brings you here. So you'll notice you have your page at the top, then automated ads, then you can choose the ad type, and then you can also boost existing content. You can also create a new ad where you make an ad using text, photos, or videos to promote your business. And finally, you can boost a post where you can get more people to see and engage with your page posts. So we can use any of these three. So to start with, let us create a new ad so that I can show you how to create that from scratch. You click on create new ad and it will bring you to this page where you'll need to review the non-discrimination policy from Meta Advertising. So I'll click on that and now it will bring me here where I can create the ad. So you'll notice this is how my page looks like. That is the ad preview. It's on this side. And then what results would you like from this ad? If it's automatic, you let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on your settings. So you notice if I click on get more calls, you notice the button on this side changes to call now. If I click on get more website visitors, then the preview here, it's loading. You notice here it changes to apply now. If I click on get more messages, you'll notice the preview here will change. It's loading. You notice now the icon here changes to message. So that's how you change this part, and that is how it will affect your ad here. So the preview helps you to see how your ad will look like. Now you notice that my picture here is the default picture for my page, but maybe I just want to create an ad that is different. We can change that picture. So down here, you can add the description for your ad. How do you want your ad to look? The description, I'll call it bikes. And then I'll scroll down. The media here, I'll now select a different media. I now want to add a bike picture here. I'll click on select media. Then I'll click on upload. Then I'll select the picture of a bike from my PC and then click on open, and my picture has been loaded. Now I'll click on that picture and then scroll down here and click on select. So you'll notice my picture here has now changed. The description here is bike, then the headline here, I can call it bike still, but you can put a different term there to just describe your item. You can also activate this Advantage Plus Creative, where you leverage Facebook data to automatically deliver different ad creative variations to people when likely to improve performance. So you can switch this one on. And then for special ad category, this for ads about credit, employment, housing, or social issues, elections, or politics, you can leave this on or off depending on what you're advertising. Then the message here, remember for our app here, we clicked on get more messages. So down here, you now type the message that you would want here. Greeting, hi Mina, please let us know how we can help you. So you can edit this one. You just click on that so that you now change this hi, then it will take the name of the person who has clicked on the message, and then you can now edit this one to fit what you want. Hi, maybe like this one. Hi, Mina, thanks for visiting our page. Let's just add that. Please let us know how we can help you. So that is the starter question, and you can also remove that question. Then question, can I learn more about your business? You can give these people options to select from, so that if a person wants to learn about your business, you can just set that question so that they just click. In this case, maybe I want them to just inquire, are the bikes still available, or maybe is the item still available? So I'll type that, and this will help your customers to just select instead of having to type the question that they need to ask. And this can lead to quick conversions. So I'll put that, is this item still available? Is this item still available? So that is how it will look on this side. You notice we have the preview of the ad here. Then answer can be optional. You can set either yes or no, but that one you can also reply once the item is there. So once you add all that, this is the welcome message that the people who click on your item will see. Remember, we selected getting more messages. So once you're satisfied with that, you click on save. And now we have saved our messaging part. You scroll down again, you have the apps. Where do you want the people to message you? Here, you can connect your Instagram. You can also connect your WhatsApp. And then down here, you can select your audience who should see your ad. And then you choose your people, the people that you target. You can edit this in terms of age and location. So you click on that button here. So I'm selling a bicycle. So the age that is using a bicycle by default is set to 18 to 65. But I feel bicycles can also be used by younger people. So I can change this up to 10 years or 15 years. And then up to 65, I can reduce that up to the age that I want. Maybe I want that up to 55. I can set that there up to 55. And then down here, you can choose the location. And it's important that you choose the location wisely where you know you have your customers, so that you don't waste your business adverts in places where you don't have customers. So you notice like this one is Kenya plus 25 kilometers. If I have a business in another place, let's say in Dubai, I simply type Dubai there. And you notice we have Dubai. I can select that. I can keep on adding more countries here. You notice I now have Kenya, I have Dubai. If I want USA, I can just type USA there, and then I select United States, then I can select there. So that's how you add your countries here. So you now notice I have 3 countries, and it gives me the map, shows me it's here, here, and here. You can now come here and click on save audience. So your audience has now been saved, and then you scroll down here, you schedule start date. I want it to start today at this exact time where we are in, and then I want it to run for the next 7 days or for the next 10 days. You select 10 days there. The estimated daily results here will change depending on your budget. You notice currently our estimate is between 79 to 227 people. So now if you scroll down here, if I change my budget, you notice now my budget is at 200. If I increase that to 300, you notice my end result here changes. So this is where you adjust that. You notice if I put it at 1,200, now my estimate has gone up to 1.4K. Then you can put your placements. You choose where your ad will appear. And then in this case, you can choose it to appear in Instagram. If you have linked Instagram, Facebook, Messenger, Pixel, if all these are, you can link all these. Then finally, you are going to add your payment method here. You can add your payment method. If you click on that, you notice we have several payment methods. You may receive more than one bill for this ad. Once that is done, you click on promote now. And if now I want to schedule this, I don't want it to go live immediately, I click on these 3 dots there and click on schedule. Now with that, I can schedule when I want the ad to start, if maybe I don't want to start the ad now. And this can help you in case you don't have time in future. You can schedule your ads so that when the date comes, they simply go live. And that is how you simply promote your business on Facebook. I hope this has been helpful. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.